Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you a short story again related to the use of present tense of be, present continuous tense, future tense, and modal can. Well, after the story, I'm going to ask you some questions based on the story, of course. And you should try to understand the story and memorize. Baik, dalam video ini saya akan menerangkan atau memberikan sebuah cerita pendek yang berhubungan dengan present tense of be, present continuous tense yang ada to be-nya, and then present continuous tense, future tense, and modal can. Dan modal can yang berarti dapat. Oke, setelah cerita itu, saya juga akan menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan tentang cerita itu. So, Anda harus mengingat. To improve your speaking skill, you should try to listen and repeat after me. Untuk meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara, Anda harus mendengarkan dan menirukan. Okay? Now, listen to me. Alright. Mrs. Jenkins is in a department store. She is going to buy a coat. She is standing near the counter. She is waiting for the shop assistant. A fat lady is standing near the counter too. She is going to buy a coat too. She is looking at Mrs. Jenkins. Now, she is talking to Mrs. Jenkins. Excuse me, are you going to serve me? I want a coat, she says to Mrs. Jenkins. I'm sorry, I can't serve you, Mrs. Jenkins replies. Of course you can serve me, that's your job, the fat lady says to Mrs. Jenkins again. It's not my job. I want a coat too. I'm a customer. I'm not the shop assistant, Mrs. Jenkins replies again. Okay? Mrs. Jenkins is in a department store. Nyonya Jenkins sedang berada di department store. She is going to buy a coat. Dia akan membeli sebuah jaket. She is standing near the counter. Dia sedang berdiri dekat counter. She is waiting for the shop assistant. Dia sedang menunggu asisten toko atau dalam hal ini SPG ya, atau penjaga toko. A fat lady is standing near the counter too. A fat lady, seorang wanita yang gendut, is standing near the counter, sedang berdiri di dekat counter juga. She is going to buy a coat too. Dia juga akan membeli sebuah jaket. She is looking at Mrs. Jenkins. Dia sedang liatin Nyonya Jenkins. Now she is talking to Mrs. Jenkins. Sekarang dia berbicara kepada Nyonya Jenkins. Excuse me, are you going to serve me? Permisi atau maaf, apakah Anda akan melayani saya? I want a coat. Saya mau membeli sebuah jaket. I'm sorry, I can't serve you, Mrs. Jenkins replies. Maaf, Saya tidak bisa melayani Anda, jawab Mrs. Jenkins. Of course you can serve me, that's your job. Tentu Anda bisa melayani saya, itu pekerjaan Anda. Mrs. Jenkins says, the fat lady says to Mrs. Jenkins. Wanita gendut itu berbicara kepada Nyonya Jenkins kembali. It's not my job. I want a coat too. Itu bukan pekerjaan saya. Saya mau beli jaket juga. I'm a customer. Saya seorang customer atau pembeli. I'm not the shop assistant. Saya bukan pegawai toko. Okay? To improve your speaking skill, now you should listen and repeat after me. Are you ready? Mrs. Jenkins is in a department store. She is going to buy a coat. She is standing near the counter. She is waiting for the shop assistant. A fat lady is standing near the counter too. She is going to buy a coat too. She is looking at Mrs. Jenkins. Now, she is talking to Mrs. Jenkins. Excuse me, are you going to serve me? I want a coat, the fat lady says. I'm sorry, I can't serve you, Mrs. Jenkins replies. Of course you can serve me, that's your job. Tentu, Anda bisa melayani saya. That's your job, itu pekerjaan Anda. The fat lady says to Mrs. Jenkins again. It's not my job. It's not my job. I want a coat too. I am a customer. I'm not the shop assistant. Alright. Do you still remember the story? I hope so. Well, now answer my question. Is Mrs. Jenkins in a department store or in a small shop? Question number 2. What is she going to buy? Is she standing near the counter? Is he waiting for her friend? Who is she waiting for? Is a fat lady standing near the counter too? What is she going to buy? Is she going to buy a coat? Is she looking at Mrs. Jenkins? Can Mrs. Jenkins serve her? Is Mrs. Jenkins a shop assistant? Is Mrs. Jenkins a customer? Can Mrs. Jenkins serve the fat lady? Alright, it's simple question, right? Simple question and simple story. Hopefully, this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.